Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Ubisoft Connect and signing in with the exact account that owns for Honor. This is the core requirement. Once signed in, let the client finish any updates so services and game ownership validate. Make sure Ubisoft Connect runs in the background. Do not launch for Honor from Steam or a desktop shortcut first. Doing this ensures the game detects the client and avoids the warning. Take these steps now, and then proceed to launch the game through Ubisoft Connect. If you prefer not to stay online, switch Ubisoft Connect to offline mode after a successful sign-in and update. You do this by opening the menu, choosing offline mode, and confirming the client prepares cached credentials. This is why you must sign in first. Once offline mode is active, launch for Honor from within Ubisoft Connect. This avoids the runtime warning because the client is the primary authenticator. If you skip these steps, the game will prompt the warning again when it can't contact Ubisoft services. To finish, confirm the game runs without the warning. If it doesn't, repair the install from Ubisoft Connect. This fixes corrupted files that trigger the alert. Also check firewall or antivirus settings and allow Ubisoft Connect and For Honor through. Blocked network access will recreate the message. If problems continue, sign out, clear the client cache, and sign back in or reinstall Ubisoft Connect. One quick tip: always validate ownership in the client first. Most warning loops come from skipped sign-in or blocked connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.